On live screen, you can see that FSSO agent collector is successfully connected with FortiGate firewall. So please watch full video. Hello guys, in today's video, I will explain you how to install FSSO collector agent step by step using Fortinet official documentations. So this video is very important if you are working on FortiGate firewall, Active Directory integrations, user-based internet policies. So what is FSSO? So FSSO stands for Fortinet Single Sign-On. So FSSO helps us FortiGate to identify which AD user is using which IP, apply policy based on AD groups. No need to install any agent on client machines. For this, we use FSSO collector agent installed on a Windows server joined with Active Directory. So before installing FSSO collector agent, make sure Windows server is joined to Active Directory. You have domain admin or delegated permissions. FortiGate can reach the Windows server. So required ports are open NATO on that server, AD server or Windows machine, TCP 8000 and TCP 8002. So download the FSSO collector agent from Fortinet support. You need to download it. So once download done, so what you need to do? So run the FSSO collector agent setup, means this file we need to install on that Windows machine. So this file we need to download from the fortinetsupport.com, and after that you can see this is the simple process. Once that file is downloaded, double click on it, so these steps will you get. So then click on the next, again click on the next, and here you need to what is the path that we need to install, and this is the username and password. This is the most important part. So because this username and password we need to add on the FortiGate firewall. So if these things not match, so FSSO will not work. So this username and password, the username will be your AD server main administrator password, sorry, username, and password you can put as per your requirement. Not need to put any password like administrator only. You can put any password. So this password need to match on that FortiGate device. So I will show you FortiGate configurations also. So here after that, standard domain user you need to select, and after that you need to click on the install. So once installation done, so you can see FSSO CA is installed in the server and can be found in the following directory. You can see in this directory you will find the single sign-on agent. So if the collector agent is just installed and launch DC agents to wizards has been selected, the installation process for the domain control agents, that is the automatically starts when okay. So this is the step to install this collector agent on the Windows machine. So once this configuration done on the Windows machines AD server, so after that we need to I will show you what setting we need to add on the FortiGate firewall. So now I will access the my FortiGate firewall. So in the external connectors you can see that primary FSSO agent, I need to type the IP of that AD server and what password I have set, that I also need to password I need to type. And in the user group you can see 117 user groups are fetched from the AD server, and the status of the FSSO agent external connector is on the live screen. You can see that it's connected. So nothing you need to do, only type the IP of the AD server and password what you have set after installing the FSSO agent. So guys, thank you for watching my